In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency to someone on Binance. By following these instructions, you will be able to send crypto securely and efficiently using the Binance platform. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the top menu where you will find the option labeled Wallet. Click on Wallet to open the Wallet Management section. This area allows you to manage your cryptocurrencies effectively. Next, locate the option labeled Withdraw within the Wallet section. Clicking on Withdraw page where you can initiate the transfer process. Here, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Make sure choose the option to send via Binance ID instead of an external address, as this simplifies the transfer process. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you will need to enter the recipient's Binance UID. This is a unique identifier for the user on the Binance platform. Carefully input the UID to ensure accuracy. Following that, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Once you have entered both the UID and the amount, review the details displayed on the confirmation screen. This is a critical step to ensure that all information is correct before proceeding. Once you have verified the details, proceed to confirm the transfer. You will be prompted to complete a security verification step. This may involve using two-factor authentication or entering a code sent to your email. After successfully completing the verification, confirm the transaction. Internal transfers on Binance typically process instantly, meaning the recipient will receive the funds almost immediately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.